basically just a guy in a ninja outfit with a skull mask called Dark. He's got freeze moves. Fuck off. There we go, you asshole. Basically just a Dark freeze moves. He's got Dark ninja outfit. Dark. Just fuck off, asshole. Fuck off. Fuck off. Fuck off. Fuck off. Fuck off. And as you can see, I'm using Taro now because I just don't give a fuck. Kento! Just a retarded half-brother of Goro. Thank God, I don't know how much more of this shit I can take, okay? Alright, J-Star 3, 2, 1 here, and fuck this, I'm done.
I found an enemy! I'm going into battle! Okay, then I'll look around some more. Sorry, I'll catch up with you later! Hey guys! Ooh, I found some money! This is so annoying! Sorry, I have to fight. Sorry.
Nah, that's too dark. That's too dark. That's the old...
I am you! Hello there! Oh, hey, huh? What's that?
Six and a half hours later.
Hello, I'm the old John Hughes. I remember the Newport you won't have a John Hughes, so you don't have to. He directed such classics like The 101 Dalmatians, Flubber, Just Visiting, Dennis the Menace, and it sucks. Nah, that's too dark. That's too dark. So with a camera, duct tape, and a few wires, Alex manages to get his own...
You're not getting away from me!